NASA has captured a new infrared image of the center of our Milky Way galaxy, revealing details that have never been seen before. Scientists have tried for many years to peer through the dense swirls of dust obscuring many of the Milky Way's fascinating features. SOFIA, NASA's telescope on an airplane, observed our galaxy's center in infrared light, which is invisible to human eyes but pierces through the dense dust. Now we can see new details in the curves surrounding the Arches cluster, the densest concentration of stars in our galaxy. Also visible is the quintuple cluster, with stars that are 1,000,000 times brighter than our Sun. Our galaxy's supermassive black hole takes shape with a view of the fiery-looking ring of gas surrounding it. NASA created the panorama by combining SOFIA's new crisp image with previous data from the Herschel and Spitzer space telescopes. Scientists will use the image to study previously hidden facets of our Milky Way galaxy, including how many massive stars are forming here, and to set targets for telescopes of the future like the James Webb Space Telescope.